Jigsaw Timber Floors is all about beautiful hardwood timber flooring. I'm the owner-operator of Jigsaw Timber Floors, so from start to finish of any job, you're dealing with me. From the supply of the timber, installation process, through to the sanding and finishing. Jigsaw can handle any size job. We can provide any timber required at a very competitive price. Jigsaw uses and recommends non-toxic water-based finishes. Although slightly more expensive than the traditionally used solvent-based polyurethanes, the health benefits to you and your family far outweigh the small extra cost. Jigsaw Timber Floors is a member of the Australian Timber Flooring Association.